Remember when we were talking about memorizing the sum of two small numbers? We said that we'd have to depend on our memory. And if we knew that 4 plus 3 was 7, that would be even faster than punching it in on a calculator. Now, there were a lot of combinations to remember, but we managed to memorize all of them. And now, with times, we have the same problem. Lots of things to memorize. So how should we go about this memorizing? Now, as with adding, the flashcards are the usual way to remember these things. It has the problem on one side and the solution on the other. And that will work, but we want to make it more fun. So let's take a look at what it is we have to memorize. We need the numbers from 1 to 9, and then we'll have to memorize what 1 times those numbers are. That shouldn't be too hard. And then the same thing with multiplying by 2. And after that, we'll do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Well, that looks like a lot to do. But we do have some tricks available to us to help us out.
The switcheroo, the switcheroo, the old switcheroo.
4 times 6 is the same as 6 times 4, according to the old switcheroo. Now, if we draw a blue line down the diagonal of our array, we have a kind of symmetry. Now, there's 8 times 5, and there's 5 times 8. Now, the switcheroo tells us that those have the same value. So that means that if we memorize what's below that blue line, we don't have to rememorize what's above it, because they're all the same. So we can just cross those out as far as memorizing goes. Okay, that looks a lot better. So let's begin by memorizing the numbers down that blue diagonal and seeing what kind of tricks we might be able to come up with.